How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the controller not working or detected on Steam. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you have connected your controller properly, either through the dongle, Bluetooth connection, or the wired connection. From there, you want to navigate through Steam, click Setting, and in here navigate through controller, and basically you will be able to see that right here. If not, just click add new controller and then connect it via, once again, USB, Bluetooth connection, or whatever, and it should basically show up right here. Now, just because it's connected doesn't mean that it will be natively compatible with the actual game that you're trying to play. So what you want to do is to begin the test inputs. From here, this shows that the controller is basically compatible to use with Steam. From there, navigate back to Apex, or I mean the game of that you have chosen. Right click on it, click Properties, Controller, and make sure that the Steam input is selected. Because if you do something like the default setting or the disable Steam input, it will basically not be compatible off the get-go if your controller isn't natively supported for Windows. So make sure that the Steam input is enabled, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.